Imagine a workplace where every detail is meticulously managed and every project deadline is met with precision. Welcome to the world of ISTJs at work. Known for their steadfast reliability and keen organizational skills, ISTJs are the cornerstone of any professional setting, ensuring that efficiency and order prevail. Today, we're diving into the traits and habits that make ISTJs invaluable team members and exceptional leaders. ISTJs bring a level of dedication to their work that is unmatched, driven by a deep sense of responsibility and a commitment to quality. Their thoroughness ensures that every task is completed to the highest standards, often setting the benchmark for the entire team. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it right. This meticulous approach maximizes efficiency and fosters a sense of trust and predictability in the workplace. Colleagues know they can count on ISTJs to follow through on commitments, making them a steady and reliable presence in any organization. When it comes to decision-making, ISTJs are in their element. They approach decisions with a methodical mindset, relying on logic and practicality to guide their choices. This ensures that their actions are well thought out and rooted in solid reasoning. As leaders, ISTJs excel in creating structured environments where teams can thrive. They set clear goals and establish effective systems to achieve them, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Their ability to maintain order and focus under pressure makes them a trusted force in navigating complex projects and challenges. However, even with their strengths, ISTJs are not without their challenges. Rapid changes or unpredictable situations can throw them off balance, as they prefer environments with clear routines and structures. Their focus on logic and efficiency can sometimes make them overlook the emotional nuances of teamwork, potentially leading to misunderstandings with more emotionally driven colleagues. This isn't a flaw, but rather an area for growth. By embracing flexibility and actively cultivating emotional awareness, ISTJs can navigate these challenges more effectively. At the same time, teams that work with ISTJs can help by providing clear expectations and fostering open communication, ensuring everyone is aligned. As we conclude, it's important to recognize just how much ISTJs contribute to the workplace. Their dedication, logical decision-making, and ability to create order are qualities that drive success and build strong foundations for any organization. While flexibility and emotional connection may require some effort, these are areas where growth is entirely possible with the right mindset and support. ISTJs remind us that diligence and structure are not just tools, they are the backbone of progress. Appreciating these traits and understanding how to support them is key to unlocking the full potential of ISTJs in any professional environment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to catch more videos about personality types, emotional intelligence, and personal growth. I've got tons more fascinating topics coming up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the depths of personality psychology. Until next time, keep embracing your emotional superpowers. See you in the next video.